When left-handed, twist your left hand. Pick one beat. Then, then bring the menu. Excuse me, menu. We have 4 courses available. We have appetizer, salad, main course, and dessert. Then, pag hatag yung menu, serve the complimentary bread. Gamit na tayong tray. Excuse me, ma'am, here's your complimentary bread. Then, excuse me, ma'am. Then, take order. Now, open the pen. Are you ready to take your order? Yes. Ready to take your order?
Calamares, for salad, chicken Caesar salad, and for main course, iced tea, and dessert,
For your wine, I suggest red wine. We have Tuna and Novelino, and that's it. Would you like to take it now?
yes,
Then, is that the
yes.
How about for your afternoon drink? We have available coffee or So for your appetizer, calamares, for your salad, is chicken or Caesar salad. For your main course, is your rice steak. And your dessert is steak. And for your wine, is your red wine. And for your afternoon drink, is your coffee. Is that all right? Yes. So your food will be served in 15 to 20 minutes. Then, basta prep sa table. So prep mo, pinakauna is plate yun. So don't do this. Hirap mo ulit. Then, ang inyong fight tray ay padulusan na mo. Then, yun ang tawag sa mga dinikinanglan. Salad fork. Nama siya order ng salad? Yes, nama. Fish fork. Nama siya order ng fish? Wala. So, wow. Then, adjust. Then, ito po bukas. Automatic, wow, dyan na cup and saucer. Kaya later po muna siya i-serve. Sunod, soup spoon, wala siya i-soup. Salad knife na, fish knife, wala siya i-soup. Then, adjust. Then, finish na lang kanan, maliit ka na naman ba? Ito mga glass pairs. Order ng champagne, wala. So, hold the stem, not the rim. Don't hold the rim. Right stem. White wine and red wine or million. Okay, so natawag mo, if na ba kayo limited, if wala na, then start the appetizer. Use the appetizer plate. Excuse me, ma'am, use your appetizer. The calamares. Enjoy your food, ma'am. Sunod, ibutang na eh. Gamitan lang na eh. Then bust out mo sa left. Are you done with your appetizer now?
Yes.
May I?
Yes.
Ito, video yung go. Excuse me, ma'am, are you back to serve your salad? Okay. So, since hindi ang gamit niya, parang siya pang salad, hindi mo siyang tagaan, ihatag din mo ni balik before you serve ang full. Okay? So, balik na. And also, board. Then, serve the food. Excuse me, ma'am, your salad is not ready. Chicken salad. Now, so what are you going to do sa last? Then, that will your salad, no? Excuse me, ma'am, balik back for your main course. Okay, main course nga rib eye. So, inner plate ang gamitin. Ma'am, here's your main course. Rib eye steak. Then, pag ma-serve na nila ang main course, serve the wine. Huwag mo kalimot sa pork stew. Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your wine. You ordered that Novelino red wine. Spain, year 2022. Has alcohol content of 50%. Is this the right wine?
Yes.
May open your bottle? Okay. So, pa-charge or open? Ato na siyang practice po during finals. Dapat kabalong mo open yung buhay. Then, pag-pour niyo dapat makita ang label. Okay? And also, yung dapat sa bottle, ay dapat sa rin sa glass bottle. Here as taas. Then, ayaw siya ipagas. Here's the cork mount for your evaluation. Then, would you like me to leave the bottle or just we ordered one glass only?
One glass.
One glass lang, makabalik. Then, excuse me ma'am. Once that's done, pass out. Excuse me ma'am, I'm done with your main course. Bay, apilo na po ang charger pag kukuha na mo sa main course. And kuha na po ang complementary bread. Course, salt and pepper shaker. Sige ma'am, I'll be back to serve your dessert. But before we serve the dessert, crown. So just use any plate, maybe a fish plate, a salad plate, or dinner plate. We're gonna excuse me, ma'am. May I crown your table? Then slide it up. Ayun yung aswata. Ayaw din yung gunita, Andre. Andira, Andre. Another glass of wine. Wish I'm no more. Wala pa mo sir. Let's just assume na oras ka. So wala makatana pa another glass ba sila or hindi. Okay. Ang tubig, mo apit na meron, wagay mo na siya tayo. So wag ikaw na siya na mahitabo, wag ikaw. Lanto mo na sa tubig, ito may sunod wala. Okay, next, pass out sa dessert. Okay? Yes. Next, serve the afternoon drink order. So, nag-order siya of coffee. Simon, here's your coffee. Then, pasok na diretso, pangutang. Pasok na diretso. Bring down your tomato. I'll be back to serve your deal. Excuse me, here's your bill. What mode of payment do you prefer? Cash or card? Cash. Thank you for giving the exam amount. I'll be back for your receipt. Here's your receipt now. Would you like to stay any longer or should I assist you to our exit?
I'll stay for a while.
Okay, stay for a while, then nakatan siya matindog. So let's say itindog na. So ano siya kasi na pag-ausal. Thank you for dining with us. Hope to see you soon. That's it.